In a nutshell, let me point something else out here. Whenever you see beans like this, it means they have lacewing aphid underneath them. You see that? You guys, I want you guys to start paying attention to this. If you see this on my plants, you need to start looking underneath the leaves. Those right now, what you want to do with those is not disturb them at all. Come over here with a bucket of soapy water and grab all these real carefully because they fly, and put them in a bucket of soapy water. Don't worry about the little bit, because every one of those will make hundreds more. And that's where they're at. And part of the reason, the diversity, is when I have beans that don't need nitrogen, they're already old, they're weak, they're dying, what are they gonna attack? Those. What are they on to next? Anything else. So this is the way we manage quite a bit of our pests, is we have plants that they're gonna have, let them have it to a certain extent. Let them build their numbers out, and then come in here with a bucket of water, and one time, put it in the water. They can't fly, they're done for. You've got all their cycles, and then it's about just paying attention to what's around you. So that's a sign. Anytime you guys see yellow on the top of the leaf, it's gonna be aphid, lacewing aphid, spider mite. There's a whole myriad of things that give us our pests here. The other thing I want you guys to pay attention to is if you ever see ants on a plant. I'm gonna show you guys where. Let's just take a little walk across here because this is probably a good one to get.